Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire. My name's Josh. I'm going to give you a tour of this Volkswagen Transporter Panel van. So this is a T30 Highline long wheelbase 150 PS. So we'll start at the front there, you've got your headlights. Coming around to the side, you've got your 16-inch alloy wheels. Coming into the driver's side, as you can see just up there, you've got your wing mirror controls, so they're heated and folding. You see if you turn it to the top there, you fold in, turn it back down to the bottom, they'll fold back out. Just down there, you've got your switch for your headlights, so you can set that to automatic, so they'll come on their own when you need to. As you can see, this vehicle's done 7,152 miles, so very low mileage. Got your leather multifunction steering wheel just there. On the left side, you've got your cruise control settings, and the right side, you've got your phone settings. Just in the middle there, you've got your DAB digital radio. With medium, you can select your source there, so you've got plenty of options. You've got USB aux, CD, Bluetooth and SD card. Again, you've got your phone connectivity there, you've got your system settings, and you've got your sound settings just there. Just down here, you've got your USB port, you've got your button for heated windscreen, which is very useful for clearing your windscreen. In the middle there, you've got your air conditioning controls. Just there, you've got your 6-speed manual gear stick. You can see if I put it into reverse, get your rear parking sensors just on the screen there. Very useful for when you're parking. You can see you've got your storage compartments there and a 12-volt socket, and another 12-volt socket at the top of the dash, and cup holders on both sides. Got more storage compartments there, and your glove box just beneath there. You can see you've got rubber flooring, making it nice and easy to clean if you do use this as a work van. You've got your seats there, you've got 3 in the cabin total, and on the driver's seat you've got armrests on both sides, giving you extra comfort when you're driving. Coming around to the outside now, you can see it's finished in Indium grey metallic paint. It's a very nice colour. Got your twin doors at the back here, parking sensors across the back bumper. Go ahead and open that up now. As you can see, you've got a full solid bulkhead. Got your lights in the roof there. And you've got carpeted sides, floor and wheel arches. Got your load lashing rings for securing your load when you're on the move. Make sure nothing moves about. Just keep everything safe in the back. You've got 8 of those in total. And you've got your carpet on the rear doors as well. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll see your sliding door on this side here. If you open this, get another view of the bulkhead there. And you see there's loads of room in the back there. If you open the passenger side door, open this flap here, you can see you've got your diesel and your AdBlue fill-up points. AdBlue for the new EU6 engine, for the emissions. And as you can see there, you've got a view of the cab from the passenger side. If you would like any more information about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 01772 911 356. Thank you for watching this video.